We have new setup right at the back. Hello everyone, it's Maureen, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing and a first impression of a phone case. A company reached out to me called Kroma. They sent the cases and we're gonna check if it's good or not. We'll see if we like it. Is it worth the price? Is it cute? Without further ado, here is the unboxing and first impression of this Kroma phone case. They are a company that sells iPhone cases. They are food grade and BPA free. This is really interesting. Now we are gonna unbox this. We're just gonna rip it. Oh, it's already open. Well, not really. Okay, so we got the bumper first. Oh my god! The packaging is really nice too. So this is the first one. This is the bumper. I actually chose the blush pink. I think that's what they sent me. Here is the bumper. Oh my god! It looks really nice. They put it right in here that it is a blush pink. So we're gonna start unboxing it. And there is a sticker right here. Wow, it's so cute. Hey Maureen, hope you enjoy our cases, Joanne. Aww, so sweet. Isn't that so sweet? And there's another sticker right here. So yeah, here's the bumper. Oh my god. I'm so excited. It's so fun. So we're gonna try, but our bumper, there's our phone, and then this bumper is kinda silicone-y. It looks sturdy. Oh, this is made in Taiwan. Put it on our phone. There. Bam. Oh. Perfectly fits. Oh my god, so pretty. It looks like it's gonna be helping our phone safe from, you know, scratches on the sides. Love it. And now we're gonna go to the back plate. We're gonna be doing a closer look later as soon as we put the plates in there. Oh, I put it in a different way. Here. So there. Perfect. This was the box that we got for the bumper, and it's really good. It's a nice packaging and all. There is our back plates. Oh my god. So I chose 3 different styles, but I chose the, you know, the pinky stuff and a unique ones. That's the packaging right there, and the first one is Kroma. So they have the instructions right here that you should follow. So just in case you don't know how to, we'll open this first one. Nice packaging, but you can see what it looks like right here on the other side. Ta-da! This is what I got, the first one. It's just a ombre flower. It's so pretty. It's really a good packaging, you know. It would keep the back plate safe from scratching or breaking. So we're gonna peel this. Or should we peel it? I don't want to. It's gonna follow the instruction. Put it on the side. Oh shoot. Right there. It clicked. And then the other side. Woohoo! Yeah. Oh my god, I love it. It's so pretty. Here it is. Look at that, guys.
Okay, let's just peel the plastic.
There, I peeled it. I don't like peeling stuff. So every side is protected. This is really soft on the side here too. And then ombre flower. Look at that. I love the gradual white and with yellow dots right there, and then it goes to kind of baby pink, and then goes to kind of lighter pink, and then fuchsia. So pretty. So I tried taking it off. Instruction says if you take it off, just grab this part and make sure that you grab the plate, and that will come off. So we will change to the next one, but this is the second one. Her hair, flowers around her hair, fancy looking kind of phone cases. It's like high standard phone case. Again, slide it on the side. Here, a click, click. This looks really cool too. Look at this. It's so cool. It's so simple, but you know, cute. It's not really slippery at all. So look at that. Oh, so cute. So this is the frame, and then this is the back plate. So the frame cost 25 bucks and the back plate cost 15 bucks. So I think this is my new favorite phone case. Plasticky. I don't think this is safe to like bend because this might like break. And the last one is all I need is coffee and mascara. So again, we're just gonna push it on the side, and then right there. Wow. Simple case. I'm just gonna peel this. So here is the close-up. All I need is coffee and mascara. Yeah. So yeah, simple. Aside from looking very sturdy, looking very fashionable and pretty, girly, it also is food grade and BPA free. I think this is super worth it. I believe it looks so friggin' expensive. This is super unique. I've never had this kind of case before. If you've seen one, tell me. So final thoughts. This is really a good product. I love how sturdy the frame is, and the idea of changing the back plates is really unique. I would definitely buy this and get more of the back plates because I already have a bumper or a frame, what they call it. So I'm good. I don't need to get another one. If I need to get another one, that would not be really practical. On their website, they have frames that is for iPhone X and iPhone 8 Plus, and also their frames have different colors. First is black, then there is white, there is coral pink, and blush pink. I have the blush pink right here. So if you want to buy this, make sure that you buy the right color that you want to fit to your different back plates. This frame is super tough yet flexible. So it is super flexible, so you can see that it's kind of, you know, open right there. I understand why you can see that there's a gap right here. You know, not really super tight in there, because the only way you could take off the back plate is to spread it. So I think I would let it pass. I don't care. It doesn't really come off anyways, like I have on my other silicone case, so I don't care about that. Aside from food grade and BPA free, also the case provides incredible impact protection, far exceeding the US military drop test standard. and can absorb at least 11 feet 3.5 meters of impact. Simple and very fashionable. I would recommend this to anyone, to my friends, and to you guys. I would recommend this, and again, I would buy this case. They have more styles on their website, so I'm gonna check it out and maybe get more. In addition, on their website, they have different stylish backplates that you could buy. Again, if you would buy a frame, just buy the one that you would use all the time, and then just get backplates that you like, which is very stylish. I think this kind of phone cases are really good for moms, anyone that has kids. We are done! Again, I love this friggin' case. I haven't had any of this kind of case before, and so that's why I was so excited to unbox it and make a first impression, and I love it. So pretty. I don't know, it's so adorable. I don't know why, but there's something on this one that's so adorable. Maybe because of the frame, the changing of the back plates kind of idea. This is the future of iPhone cases. I just feel like this is so advanced. You guys comment down below if you have seen companies that has done this kind of like idea, because I've never have seen one. So if I'm mistakenly saying that this is the first one, the first company that did this, correct me if I'm wrong, but for me, this is the first company that I've seen that made this, and I'm so lucky that they reached out to me and asked me if I could unbox this and make a first impression. All in all, I love it. I know some YouTubers that already have done a review and first impression of this case, and they said that this thing right here is kind of annoying. But for me, it's not. It doesn't come off. It's one of the problems that I had on my silicone cases, and it's so friggin' annoying. Friggin'. This one is kind of loose, but I don't care. It doesn't come off. It's kind of loose because it's the only way you can take the back plate off, so I don't have a problem with that. For the first time that you're gonna buy it, it's kind of pricey, but then if you have the bumper or if you have the frame already, just gonna buy back plates, which cost like 15 bucks each, BPA free, so that's like a plus. So you'll be safe from chemicals or anything, even not just for kids, but you yourself, because sometimes when you touch your phone, you don't know what's chemicals on it, and it's nice to know that this kind of cases is BPA free, and you don't have to worry I'm touching this and then you put your hands on your mouth. I'm just gonna link their website on the description box so that you guys can check it out if you want. Thank you, Kroma, for reaching out to me. Thank you so much for this cases. I'm so happy that I had a chance to unbox this and make a first impression, and I love the cases. I really love it. You know that I'm crazy about phone cases. To end this video, what I see in here that's really nice: confidence is not a way of avoiding difficulty, but of dealing with it when it comes. Something to think about. We're creeping to 1,000 subscribers. It's kind of overwhelming and I'm kind of nervous, but we're getting there. We'll just have to be patient. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful night and day, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!